We have this gorgeous Emma here today. Emma has been on expander, but guess what? I noticed you're growing taller. Yeah? You're welcome. Can you show me your expander? Look at that. She has expander on the lower and she has expander on the top. And the reason I wanted to do that because, you know, your jaw was a little small, right? But I noticed because she's actually getting expansion, her growth plate is releasing growth plate on her joints and stuff, and she's growing taller. Have you noticed you're growing taller? Yeah. But seriously,
I can see some difference
in her jaw, like she's not like
and
touching.
she stopped snoring actually.
Bingo. Yeah. And after how many months? Because she's been in treatment for 3 months. After 2 months, she stopped snoring?
Like I noticed 2-3 weeks ago.
2-3 weeks ago. Yeah. So after a little bit over 2 months of expansion, she stopped snoring. Isn't that amazing? And because when she stops snoring, that means she stops mouth breathing as well. So that's amazing. Thank you, Eva. You want to say something? Do you like everybody here?
Yeah.
And then you come here and get laser treatment here as well? Yeah, and you're going, and your mom said your face is getting actually better.
And
so it's no,
like, you know, it's expanding here.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's no longer long and narrow and restricted. Yeah. Perfect. Give me a high five. Good job.